Hello. In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Oukitel WP35. You have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on Settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google and then click on More and I agree, More and I agree. Now click Next. Then click Not Now and click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now click Next. And then you can go back and click on lock screen. Now click here to enable this first option, and let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google, and as you can see my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.